hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm back. Cheers to my past.
Okay, welcome back. Today we are actually not doing anything in the wood shop. During the springtime, it's really fun to get outside, and the last couple years I've been researching different fishing spots to go fishing, and recently I went and talked to the Southern Ute tribal. I went to their main office and asked them where the fishing access was for a lot of the Indian lands, and they were super nice and they gave me a map, and I researched the first river that I looked at that was kind of close to me on the Southern Ute Indian land was, I believe it was the Los Pinos River, and the water was really low, so I went there and looked at it to see if I could fish there, and I found a couple of their access points on their map. I'll show you a map of it right here, but the water was really low, so I didn't have any success. So when I went to the office and talked to them, there was a young kid there, and the wildlife lady, she gave me a hard copy of a map, and I'll show you some pictures of the maps right here. And basically what the young kid, I asked the young kid, hey, where's the good fishing spots? And he said, what are you, fly fishing or spin fishing? And I said I could do either one. And he said, well, right now the Los Piedras River was really good, and here's a map of it right here, I'll show you. And then there was like 4 or 5 spots on this one river that he said that I could fish at, and it was pretty good, and the water level was high. So each week from now until winter, once a week, I'm gonna play hooky and no more working in the wood shop, and I'm gonna go fishing. And I'll show you some spots here in Colorado that, yeah, it'd be interesting, and it's, you know, I'm gonna learn some new spots at the same time. Anyway, I will check back with you once we get to the river. It's about an hour drive, and yeah, I'll see you then. The first spot I came to was a place called Fawcett Gulch Bridge. Okay, so I have no idea. I can hear the water, but I don't see any trails over here. But I can hear it pretty good the other way. So I think what I'll do is I'll just take a walk, see if I can find an easy place to fish from. I can hear the water though. Yeah, it'd be nice when I can find some new spots to fish that are easy to get to. So this place, this was about an hour away from where I live, and I'm trying to find some walk-in areas. I don't see any trails though. Looks like people have driven on this pretty good, but I don't see where they're accessing the river. And I came in right up there. So I think we'll just walk across here and Actually, that looks hard to get over there. Okay, well this is proving not to be the greatest river access. I don't see any trails getting to the river. This road looks like it's been traveled on, but I have no idea. So I think we're going to go up to the next location and see if we can find an easier access. So I'll show you this first location on a map. That way you can get an idea. Yeah, I see no foot trails off of this road. So I'm gonna go back out and go down to the next spot. Oh, here's a... That's kind of cool. Look at that. That's cool. All right, I'll put the magnet back on the truck and we'll go to the next spot. What I realized about this spot is actually this little road is just for parking cars. Everybody, I think what they do is they come on this road, they park along the side somewhere, and then they walk over. Right here you'll see the bridge on the left, and you can see where they walk down right there. And that's what I didn't really figure out, but I'll know that next time I go there. While I'm editing, this buck's down here in my right outside my window eating some bushes. I started to go down here, but quickly realized it was private property. I thought this was an entrance also, but this turned out to be a private access road, probably for the Indians only. And the access area in this is marked. So if you come to one of these roads that's not marked, you're not supposed to be on it. This spot right here is Fawcett Gulch number 3. This looks like a nice spot actually. I don't know if the fish are biting right now, but looks like a good spot. Anyway, I'm going to get set up here and try to catch a few fish. I'll probably just use my spinner rod for a little while. And yeah, this looks like a nice spot. Okay, this is access point number 2, and I will put an arrow right here where this is at. Today is all about just researching some new spots. This was spot number 1 on the map. And actually, I thought out of all the spots, this was the best spot. I did end up catching and losing a fish in this spot, but I was just kind of messing around, and I wanted to kind of do some casting in each spot and kind of scope it out. And yeah, this spot was kind of fun, and if I went back, I would go to this spot first. Anyway, my battery ran dead. I only brought 2 GoPro batteries. So yeah. Anyway, this is a place that I'm definitely going to return to. So it was a good adventure finding this place. This is the Piedra River in Colorado, on the Southern Ute Indian Reservation. And yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video. I did not catch any fish this day, but it was a beautiful day and it was good to get out of the shop. Later.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I